We have just finalized the preparations and the stand building for the Inter Airport in Munich, which is the 7th show in a row this autumn. We are ready and nobody else is, because we have a new concept that is much faster and much more flexible. Once per year, in correlation with the budget discussions, we are identifying the exhibitions and the fairs that we want to run. We always involve the sales and the product management in our discussions, in our decisions, and from the very beginning we saw that there is a huge potential of this modular stand concept. This new concept helps us to build up stands from 6 square meters up to 150 square meters, all in the same look and feel with the same high quality approach. We have developed a solution for a new stand concept which is absolutely brand consistent around the world. Our customers should recognize us everywhere as a leading player in this market. We have created a communication platform with much more space for customer discussions, presentations and emphasis on our products. We were looking for a partner who is as global as we are, who can help us locally but also having a global experience. And with this we found Expo Display, who is a Swiss company as well.
We have hubs in Asia, in the United States and in Europe. And we have a team with more than 550 employees. And that is a unique thing, and also our guarantee we give to our products more than 30 years. Our commitment to Interroll is that we want to be together a successful partner for Interroll over the world.
With this information, I would also like to thank everybody, especially our people in sales. We have collected a lot of feedback from you guys. We have worked very constructively on improving this concept, and we are continuing to make it even better next year.